Hello Savage Dolls, my name is Isabella. Welcome back to my channel Be Cantonese. Today we're going to learn some words to traumatize your exes. If you want to say let's break up, you can say 分手啦 we 分手啦 break up. Remember on the last video I explained that la as the last word in a sentence. When you use that in the end of the sentence, it becomes an order, like we're not discussing our breakup. I decided we have to break up. 分手啦 分手啦 Remember, no is no. If you decided to break up, that's your final decision. So don't give them room to ask you why, but I love you so much. Why do you only love me when I decide to break up? If they insist on knowing the why, why does that matter? A breakup is a breakup. You are going to give them several reasons, and the first one being 我中意咗第二個. 我 means I. 中意咗 like. 咗 here serve the purpose like ed, past tense in English. 我中意咗 I like 第二個 the other person. Literally, it means the second one, 第二個. But in the whole sentence, we all know that you're referring to some other person that they don't know that you're in love with. Now, you may have a question. Isn't past tense means that something happened in the past? Why do we use 咗 instead of 我中意第二個? 中意咗 is to describe the whole action. It's not just an event that happened in the past, it's the whole progress. Like, I used to like you, but now I shift my like to the other person. 我中意咗第二個. And the second reason you can say for your breakup is 我哋唔夾啊. 我哋 we 唔夾啊. Means no. 夾 means fit. Is like la or la in the end of the sentence. 我哋唔夾啊. Now this one is tricky because if you're heartbroken and if you heard this before, you think that is so fucking bullshit. Like, how can we be together for several years or months and now you tell me that we're not a good fit? Like, what's wrong with me? Like, maybe you tell me and I can change. Nah. If they come up with this 我哋唔夾啊, it doesn't matter why or what part you're actually not fitting well, but it just means that they have changed their mind. Now, another reason for if you are dating seriously, but something just doesn't work well, like you don't see that person as your future wife or husband, then you can pull this one. 我屋企人唔鍾意你. 我屋企人唔鍾意你. Now we already learned that 我 means I, 鍾意 means like, 唔鍾意 means don't like. 屋企人. 屋企人. If my family doesn't like you, how can we be together? Oh, so Romeo and Juliet. 我屋企人唔鍾意你. My family doesn't like you. 我屋企人唔鍾意你. I should have a master in breaking up. Oh my god, after all this bullshit, you still want to learn this lesson? Okay, subscribe to my channel and I'm about to teach you what to say referring to the ex. Like, if you still miss them, if you still want them back. No matter how much they hate their ex, I would suggest not to talk behind them because you don't know when they're going to be back together.